We are in a new neighborhood Felicidade. That's it.
Yes.
Yeah, Felicidade, which is the Italian neighborhood of Curitiba. So we will discover that. We will do a walking tour in this place.
Our neighborhood is like Curitiba is on the side of the city, you know. So this guy here, for example, Antonio Domingos Madaloso, he was an Italian guy. When he came here to sell grapes, to make vineyards. In front of our building here, it was just vineyards, but the life was very, very difficult. So they started a small business, Restaurante Madaloso, for 24 people, and in 10 years the family business like grow a lot. I think. So they put down the vineyards and they make this very big restaurant.
Ah, okay.
In front of here, come here.
Oh, he
They
will
start
give us
here,
the right.
the Madaloso family.
It was a grape garden there, no?
Yeah.
Now
Ah.
it's a restaurant. Bad or good?
I think it's good.
It's good.
Since Brazil was a democracy, all the presidents eat here. It's a very big, 5,000 people.
Wow.
At the same time. This guy here, where is the restaurant? He made grapes in the 50s. He started everything and he had 6 sons, 2 girls and 4 men. And they have this restaurant today. The family is so rich. They own this building here. They own the banks. All the property are from the Madaloso family.
Guy, okay.
Yeah, and he was very, very poor.
Saúde.
That's good.
Ah, so good.
Yeah.
It's sweet actually. Oh, she removed the bag. Yeah, always cool. You come from another country, you arrive to a new country, and you made it in a country that it's not yours. It's really impressive. I have respect for those people. Is it for free or we have to pay? Don't know. We accepted the invitation, but sometimes we don't know that it's for free or you have to pay. Yeah, saúde.
Also,
Oh, I like this one better.
this one.
Yeah, this one is better. Usually I don't like red wine because of the taste. Sometimes it's too amargo, but this one is good.
Yeah.
Shell here look like the skin of the Cabri. It's skin?
Yes.
Now I can touch it safely. Yeah, that's a good vibe here in Curitiba. Enjoying the sun and the Brazilian wine.
Oh, look this.
Oh,
so
I
beautiful.
like the decor too. Yeah, so cozy, so cool, honestly. You told me that you don't like this neighborhood, but actually it's really cool.
Yeah, I
This
never came
neighborhood.
here.
Really? Yeah, lot of wine here. Wow, red, white, rosé. Yeah, I didn't thought that in Brazil they have this good wine, honestly. Last time when I went to Fortaleza, they told me that they have bad wine here, but it's wrong. Really, it's cool, the wine here. Oh, so cool.
Thank
really,
you.
so cool. I really like it, the place. No,
No.
really, it's really cool.
Really
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you
Bye.
very much.
Yeah, it's cool. Actually, I was expecting that he will told us to pay something, but actually it's for free. We tried for free the
Yeah.
wine. It really was really good wine.
This
Really
is
like this hospitality from Brazilian. Yeah, it's crazy that one guy creates a whole neighborhood here in Brazil. Wow. That the Italian dream, and many people say that before it was easier than today. Today it's hard to make it like that. Before it was easier. I don't believe in that. Don't know, guys, what do you think about it? Could you make it today like people before have made it, like this guy, for example? Or it's very difficult to do it nowadays?
Gostaria de fazer a sua curiosidade. Minha mãe está desempregada em casa.
he is selling these candies to you. His mom has no job, and so the kids need to
Obrigado.
work.
Oh, it's so
I
bad.
don't like to give the money to the kids because the parents can explore them. So
Yeah, but his
I
mom
usually
is sick.
don't give money for them.
But his mom is sick.
Yeah, I don't know. I hope no. But
So bad life. I
think,
was happy.
I
Now
think
when I saw this guy, I feel so sad.
yeah, I feel sad too. But I think the parents are exploring these kids.
Yeah, I don't know all the history, but it's sad.
Like
Why
when-
they don't want to speak English in
Yeah,
Brazil?
because the people always get ashamed because they is the second language.
Yeah.
So people sometimes say something wrong, and the other Brazilians.
Laugh about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is bad. Imagine English is my third language, guys, and I'm vlogging in English. I hope you are forgiving me my mistakes, but I don't give a fuck. If I don't jump and don't speak, I will never improve my level. And it's like that language. It's like going to the swimming pool. You can't learn swimming without jumping in the pool, and in language is same. You have to jump in the country and the culture and try to speak as much as you can, even with mistakes. People will help you and will accept. Sometimes only one word that can be understood will save you in travel, and when you travel a lot, you discover that language are very important to speak. I don't speak Portuguese, but I try to, and thank you to help me.
Oh, you are a good student.
But if you don't practice, you will never improve. You will never have this point of speaking good without practicing. If you don't like our English, pay us a ticket to an English country and we will improve faster. It looks like the gallery of Milano. We buy a slice of pizza.
Oh, they have crepe, French crepe.
Ah, French crepe. Oh, I still not miss it yet. But I want to eat slice of pizza. They sell slice of pizza.
I think in this place
And
has.
they do this square pizza with rectangular size, and after they cut it in slices
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you buy the slice. Really like it in Italy. Also in Malta it was there. I like it. In Paris they do in some restaurant like that in Châtelet who are owned by Italian. They sell you a slice for €5. Oh, Ristorante Sicilia. So huge, so big. The decoration there, so cute. It's like a castle. Oh, see this car, very old. Still working. Oh, it's the British Guard. Oh, a lot of chocolate stuff. Yeah, let's go and discover this place. Oh, so cute. And here also. Actually, I was expecting to eat something salty, but let's start by something sweet. So they have a sweet pizza. Pizza with chocolate and fruit. It takes long time for croissant. In Brazil, they like to take their time.
But it's
Ah, it's
it's arrived.
arrived.
Chocolate com morangos.
I speak it fast. It's arrived. Oh, a lot of chocolate, really tasty. Yeah, first time I see something like that. Yeah, let's try it.
And after you tell me if you like your croissants.
Yeah, so you have strawberry inside. Ah, so good. The croissant is good actually. And you see strawberry inside? Yeah, it's warm also, the croissant. So good. I really like it.
We'll try.
We will
Some
try.
wine.
Oh. Hey, salud. So good.
Very good.
Yeah, I like it. Oh, so good. That time I drink something so sweet like that. The white is better, but even the rosé is cool. It's good. Oh, it's arrived. The pizza look very tasty. Yeah. It's small. This is the Palmito. You can guess that it's Italian. Really tasty. I always prefer eating pizza with hands.
Oh, that's the question we were asking.
But since it's in a restaurant, let's use the knife and the fork. Yeah, the cheese. So good, especially the taste of the pesto. A good pizza is when it has good cheese. You like eating those extremities? Me, I don't eat them
Fine.
because it's dry. It's not juicy usually. After you become lazy, and you will wait. So good, really like it.
Thank you.
The only transition that I make. Lot of visual effects. Yeah, maybe one day we will have a good team and it will be better with you.